You have a socket above you in a garage, a basement, your room, a studio. A cell is a socket fan, LED fan, with 1,000 lumens remote control. We're going to open up, show you what you get inside and how to install and what it looks like. The product comes in a number of colors. Check online for further detail. It has 6 speeds remote control. It comes nicely packaged. This is a black version. Some assembly is required. You have a remote control, nice size, with the hanging bracket as well. On the remote control, you have your on and off, all off, your lights, your speeds, your kelvins, the wireless setup, forward, reverse, your hours, and the 6 speeds, and a wind circulation. If you want to hook up via AC, you have the bracket. If you want to hook up directly to a socket, you have the socket and extension. You're given 5 blades. They simply snap on in one direction. You just simply line up the 3 tabs like so and place in. Please make sure the holes, the tabs, go in the correct way. You're given 3 kits of hardware, 1 for the remote control, 1 for the light fixture, and 1 to hang the unit up. Remove your bulb. Lights up. With the remote control, we could turn on and off the lights and turn the speed of the fan on. Easy to hook up and hook up. You have an option to hook up the extension, lock it in with a screw that was given, or unscrew and mount it close to the ceiling by screwing in. Grab the remote control, put it on to the speed you like, and your fan is spinning. You can have the light off, or you can have the light on. You can keep it on a low level mode, or put it on a high level mode of 1,000 lumens. And you could change the colors of the Kelvin, soft and hard. You could turn the fan off. It gives a nice gentle breeze. If you're looking for a fan to cool off your kid's room in a studio, wherever you want, at a college dorm, garage, RV, a boat, anywhere that you have a hard wire to a socket, enjoy your product if this is right for you.